Hey guys, you have a moldy, smelly dishwasher and don't know what to do. You've tried baking soda, you've tried vinegar, and it's still there. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the proper steps on how to decontaminate inside of your dishwasher. So the very first step you want to do is remove these and put them in a hot water and dish soap. You want to let them soak for a good 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so you take all this out here. And the next step is there's a waste filter here. You just turn that counterclockwise, take that out. You're also going to soak this in hot water. If you look up close, you could see how much gunk builds up inside. All that needs to be descaled and sanitized. Now, once the filter is removed, look inside here at the very bottom. That also has to be completely cleaned. You can utilize a shop vac. That'll really extract all of the debris at the bottom. Then you're going to want to pour your vinegar disinfectant at the bottom and then run the cycle of the dishwasher. That really disinfects that bottom of the dishwasher. So this is a fogger. Guys, if you can invest in one of these are great, especially with the virus. You not only can disinfect your dishwasher, but you can keep it on hand to disinfect your HVAC, your entire house. So let me show you how to use it utilizing a dishwasher decontamination. Smells better already. Next thing you want to do is you want to let that sit for a good 5-10 minutes and then come in with a nice clean rag and you want to do a wipe down like this. You could also even use it and spray all of your racks prior to inserting them back in. Now remember, you want to use a disinfectant. We love the Benefect because it is a, it doesn't cause allergies. It's not a chemical. It's safe for dishes and food. So you may want to use a product like that. And once that's been disinfected, guys, you can run a quick cycle and you should be good to go. Well, hopefully this video helped. As always, thanks for watching.